Welcome back here on my channel. Thanks for joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, Hot Wheels Premium. We got the Forza Motorsport Set. And this is going to be a quick video because all of the 5 models in this set are re-releases. And I guess that is also the reason why this set is a pack warmer, at least here in my area. They had to reduce the price to 35 euros, which is not much money considering that a normal Hot Wheels premium car in a single pack costs around 10 euros here in Germany. So if you do the math, 35 euros, 5 cars, that means you get one car for 7 euros. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. But if you bought the single packs of these cars a while ago, yeah, I guess that's annoying. And as I mentioned, I guess that's the reason why this is kind of a pack warmer. But enough with that, I would say let's get right into it and take a look at the packaging. Here's the cover, nice artwork. We see the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. And let's turn this thing around and you will see here we do have the 5 models in this set. The Lamborghini Gallardo 574 Superleggera 2016 Ford GT Race, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and the Nissan Silvia S15 and the Morris Mini. So let's open it up. And so take a look. This is what it looks like on the inside. Now let me take out the cars quickly. A really nice set in my opinion if you don't or if you do not already own the cars. So here we go, and let's start with this one here, Lamborghini Gallardo LP 574 Superleggera. So, yeah, this one does look very good. Comes with a black glossy livery and a lot of racing deco like all the other models in this set. And if you're following my channel, I really do like racing deco because many Hot Wheels cars do look so much better with these with this racing deco on them. And I think in this case they really nailed it. So let's take a look at the side. We have the Forza logo on the door. Below we have a stripe with the Italian flag, and below it says Superleggera, which means super light, by the way. And here on the fender you see once again the Forza lettering. And if we turn the model around, you will see that on the other side we have a different deco. So here it says Xbox One, and also here we have the huge Forza logo, and here we have the Forza lettering. Yeah, I do like that if you got a different deco on the different sides. I think the wheels match the car. We also got a cool Forza deco here on the hood, including the Lamborghini logo. Details on the back. Just looking good. Now let's see if this one is a roller. Normally these Hot Wheels premium cars do roll very well, and so does this one. Now let's get this guy into parking position. And let's go on with the 2016 Ford GT Race. Very cool designed car in my opinion. Once again, just really cool. This racing deco also on the roof. You see there's a stripe across the hood and across the roof. I think Ford Performance. Huge Ford logo on the front. Then we got mismatched wheels, much bigger wheels in the back. I'm not a huge fan of this kind of style, but I think on this car it's okay. And a huge wing and no details on the back. Yeah. So let's take a look at the base. Let's take a look at the code saying R1, which means this set. All of these cars were produced in January, first week of January this year, 2022. Let's check if this one is a roller. Yeah, not perfect, but we don't care. We go on. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So this one comes with a silver livery and a lot of metal flakes in it. It's glittery and looking good. Once again, the Forza logo here on the side. Down below it says GT3 RS. A red base, so we have a red front splitter, red roof, red hood. Forza logo on the wing. Also looking good. And this one rolls very smoothly into parking position. Now, let's get to this one here, the Nissan Silvia S15, and I would say this is my personal favorite of this set. Got these golden 6 spokes, looking very good. Details on the back. Nice details on the front, a huge Forza logo on the hood. But I think the best is we have this, let's call it light blue metallic livery, and then here on the side you see we got the Forza logo in dark blue. Here on the top we got the straight line, and here we got this angle, and the logo is getting smaller, and I think this is very, very well done. I think they nailed it with this deco. It's looking really, really good. Chrome base. A really nice Hot Wheels premium model. Especially when you got it for €7. Well, not the best roller. Anyways, I mean, you don't send down these premium cars, you won't send them down a track, so it's not that important. And this is the last one, the Morris Mini in a glossy green livery with the door hinges painted. Number 1 Forza Motorsports, the Great Britain sticker here on the back. Morris Cooper. Also got exhaust details as part of the chrome base. Looking good. Some racing straps on the hood and a huge Forza Motorsport logo on the white roof. And then these tiny, tiny wheels. And it rolls. So as I mentioned, oops, zoom out again. Here we go. Here are the 5 models of the Forza Motorsport set. And that's it for this video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.